So as of October 13th of this year, or 2016, the science community just recently updated the total number of galaxies inside the observable universe, which is how big the universe that we look at it is now, and it's up to 2 trillion now. Now, I personally believe that the universe is infinite, and there's an infinite number of universes, and it just goes on and on, But when you really have a number to really draw in your head, though, how big the universe is, I mean, before it was a lot, but now it's even bigger, though. So it's like, you think that, like, 2 trillion is 13 digits long, so you have the first 3 digits, and then the next 3, the next 3, the next 3, and then finally the trillions. And you look at that and you think, that's a lot of, you look at one galaxy, and one galaxy, like, take our galaxy, for example. There's, like, so many different stars in our galaxy. And, you take a look at the solar system, how many planets there are. You really think about it, though. That's a lot of planets that exist out there, and there's so many things out there that, like, the origins of life, like, there has to be life on other planets, and essentially I wouldn't be surprised, even though I'm not saying for sure, though, if there was deities, or some sort of entities, but it's not going to be any of the ones that humans worship when you really start thinking about how many things are out there. Like, there's so many things we don't know, but yet at the same time, though, because humans lack so much evidence about, like, all these things, because you think about it, the human race depends on the universe. We don't know everything, but yet there's so many things that happened before our time, and at the same time, though, there's so many things that have happened, like, we haven't been everywhere yet. We've been stuck on Earth for as long as we have, and, when we were on this planet, we came to the realization that, here's a star orbiting in this, in this other galaxy that's just part of, like, a bigger, cluster of other stars. And if anyone's ever played Star Ocean it was on a variety of different consoles, but essentially one of the major quotes they've stated is that the universe is a star ocean, and that no matter how far you go, hell, even Star Trek even said the same thing, like, no matter how far you go into the universe, it's always going to be bigger than any human being could ever explore, any living organism, because the universe is expanding so fast, and you could spend so much time on just one thing, and even still, that's not going to slow it down. There have been a lot of scientists that have even stated that if the universe is in fact expanding, then essentially the way it's going is really interesting. It's like the farther it goes, the faster it gets, so it's like an exponential growth. As long as it keeps going, and as fast as it's going, it's just going to get even faster. And how that works, and how old the universe really is, not based on just the observable universe, the universe is obviously bigger and more important than what we humans really think it is.